Okay, so the last and honestly one of the most rare cases that we come across is a 3 unknown 2 equation system. So obviously we know going in that we can't solve this. We're not going to have just one solution, so we're going to go through and create a way that if we knew x was 5, I could solve for the whole entire equation. So what we're going to do is the same process, elimination or substitution. I'm going to, let's eliminate the y's. So we'll multiply this bottom equation by 2, and that's going to give me 6x minus 2y minus 8z is negative 18. And then I'm going to combine these two, so that's going to give me 7x minus 7z is negative 14. Now from here, we have to decide which variable we want to isolate. So I'm going to go ahead and just isolate x since it's a positive 7. So I'm going to say 7x is negative 14 plus 7z. Divide everything by 7. And I know x is equal to negative 2 plus z. So right now, that is one of my solutions. So I'm going to plug that in. I always usually set up a blank ordered triple. I know that x is equal to negative 2 plus z. Now, whatever variable you have in here, you can only have one variable. That's the variable that's going to stay itself. So this is my x spot, y spot, z spot, and since z is the variable in my x, I'm going to go ahead and put z for z. If this had been negative 2 plus y, I would put y in for y. Then we need to just take this value, plug it into one of the two originals, and get y isolated. So I'm going to plug this. I'm going to go to the first equation. So we're going to say negative 2 plus z, that's my x, plus 2y plus z is equal to 4. So I just substituted that in here. Combine like terms. So I've got negative 2 plus 2z plus 2y is 4. And I'm missing y, so I need to isolate y. So then I would keep y on the left side. That's going to give me 6 minus 2z. Divide everything by 2 this time, and that's going to give me y equal to 3 minus z. If I plug that in here, then I've got one variable. As long as you just have one variable listed, you are good. So let's say we knew that z was 5. I could find x and y. If z changed to negative 18, I could still find x and y. So that's going to give me that plane, my final solution, instead of just a point.